How do you buy US stocks in Singapore? I'll share with you a simple way to do it to get started today, not tomorrow. Now, why US stocks? Why not Singapore stocks? You can trade, invest in Singapore stocks all you want, but one of the benefits of the US stock market, you already know, it is an established market. You can buy big companies like Apple, Tesla, Walmart, and you don't even need to buy one share. Because one share costs this much, you can buy fractional shares. So this will allow beginners with no capital, university students to start investing and trading. Because for Singapore, guess what? Even Malaysia, gotta buy 100 freaking shares first. When is that going to change? I hope it's going to change one day. But for now, US stock market is the biggest opportunity for you to make passive income, earn good money, and potentially even help you retire. Singapore stocks is famous for paying out good dividends, but not so much fast, high growth. So there's more long-term growth potential in US stocks as compared to Singapore stocks. Also allows you to diversify. You don't need to just invest in Singapore. In fact, a lot of successful investors in Singapore that I know, they invest in both US stocks and Singapore stocks. Personally, I buy both markets, and even Malaysia stocks too. Now, some of the problems when it comes to picking a broker, okay? A lot of investors, they pick a broker that's not regulated by MAS, and that is quite dangerous. To be safe, pick a broker regulated by MAS Singapore. And also some Singapore brokers, they don't allow US trading. You need multiple accounts, one to trade Singapore stocks, one to trade US stocks. And also some brokers, I don't want to mention which one, in Singapore, they are very reputable from a bank, okay? But when you trade with them, super high fees. Then some more, you can open a custodian account. So ideally, you want a platform that allows you to do everything in one platform. US stocks, Singapore stocks, Hong Kong stocks, all in one place. And this broker over here is regulated by MAS, okay? I'll put the link in the description below, as well as the pinned comment. This video is sponsored by them. First thing first, what I like is their platform. It's very important for the trading platform to be user-friendly. So let's say if I go to my watch list over here, okay, watch list, and then I click onto this stock called Tesla, okay? A lot of you like Tesla apparently, and it gives you an overview of the stocks too. You want to do a quick research on the stock, you can click on this tab, overview. Okay, you can see the price trend as compared to the industry, which is automobile manufacturers, as compared to the Dow. Alright, okay, I can see why you all like this stock so much. Let me know if you want me to analyze this stock in a separate video. Subscribe if you don't miss out, okay? Okay, if I scroll down here, you can see segments, financial rating, stock valuation, okay, PE ratio, institutional overview, who are the shareholders. Okay, it's very user-friendly because you don't need to go through the annual report. But aside from that, you also need to make sure that the broker has reasonable commissions. You don't want to trade to make your broker rich. So Longbridge has lifetime commission-free trading across US, Hong Kong, Singapore markets, and $0 platform fee. So if you trade frequently, very frequently, and you trade overseas stocks, then your trading wouldn't eat into your returns. And when you go to this tab, market, okay, you can see up here, US, Singapore, Hong Kong. So you get to trade multiple markets in one platform. US, Singapore, Hong Kong. And besides from it being regulated by MAS, which makes it credible and safe, your funds, your money, when deposited, it is placed in a segregated account and hence is protected under law. And if you trade options, you get $100 USD option cash coupon and $0 commission to trade options. Right now, they are offering up to 1,370 SGD new user rewards, including free Apple and Nvidia shares, and 5% interest boost for 365 days if you sign up with my link. Also, they just launched the world's first US pre-market option trading feature which allows you to trade 5.5 hours before the US market opens. So let's get into opening your account, okay, and setting it up properly. First thing first, you gotta submit your ID, your details. Then once you're done, you can deposit your SGD or USD. Then you can download your platform on your computer, on your iPad. Then let's say you want to buy a stock, you just go to this magnifying glass over here, okay, click on that. Then you come to this window. Let's say you want to buy Walmart, okay, then you would have Walmart over here. And then make sure you go through your research. Don't just anyhow buy any company you like, okay. This was a separate video. To open an account, you gotta go to portfolio over here, okay. Then you can just easily use your SingPass to open an account. Or if you want to waste your own time, do it manually, okay. So once you have found the stock you want to invest in or trade, then you gotta place your order. Now there are two main types of orders: market order, limit order. Market order basically means that you are entering at the current price, okay, the current best available price. Limit order meaning you want to enter preset price. Let's say you want to wait for a price to go down so that you can enter the better, cheaper price. Then you preset the price you want to enter, okay. Aside from order type, you also need to determine how many shares do you want to buy. Once you bought your stock, your work is not done. You gotta track your stocks and portfolio. Because you're trading US stocks, you need to monitor exchange rates, because there's this thing called currency risk. Then also earnings announcements, as well as the most recent updates about this stock, okay. So what you can do is go to quotes over here, scroll all the way down, you can see news over here. Try not to get too caught up with this, because a lot of times news are already priced in. You can use alerts to help you stay on top of the stock. So for the earnings announcements, okay, you can go to financials and then you can keep up with the earnings over here, alright. So you have Q4 as well as the revenue forecast, you also have that, and all the important financial ratios, alright. Before you jump into investing or trading real money, make sure you follow these stock market best practices. Practice in a demo account first. Prove that you can make money consistently. Once you can, start small, okay? Start small with small amount of money, then gradually put in more once you are proven to be a profitable trader and investor. And try not to put all your money into just one sector. You gotta diversify across various sectors, but don't diversify too much. There's such a thing called over diversification. Very important. This is a common mistake that Singaporeans make. They don't research. They just anyhow listen to a random uncle. Hey, this stock is very good, very good. Then they buy it. Okay? You gotta do your research. I tell you, this is something that most people need to learn the hard way. Okay? Ignore the mistake over here. Okay? Do your research. And in your free time, okay? Other than playing Candy Crush, scrolling TikTok, study everything that you can about the stock market. The best traders, investors that I know, they study the stock market every day, including weekends, okay? So put in the discipline, patience, and perseverance, and studying, and you become a successful stock investor and trader. And with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.